Welcome to our Google Classroom tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to create a topic in Google Classroom. So to create a topic in Google Classroom, all we have to do is of course go to our Google Classroom dashboard. Do that by clicking the Google Apps command and selecting Classroom. After that, our Google Classroom dashboard will be displayed. Then you have to select the class in which you want to create a topic. Then we go to the classwork tab. Then from the classwork tab, we select create and then we select topic. This time we're gonna create our first topic, which is, let's say for example, topic 1 and tools. Then we click add. So let's say for example, we will create another topic. That's so create and then topic. Let's say for example, we have our topic 2 third, or let's say for example mensuration and calculation. Okay, so let's say for example we have two topics. Okay, so if we have many topics already in our classwork tab, we can rearrange them by simply dragging the topic or clicking the menu from the left side of the topic and moving it up or down. Move down. Let's say for example you want to move down topic 2, so that's move down. So we have now our topic 1, we have our topic 2. That is how we create topic in Google Classroom. If it happens that we created an assignment before creating a topic, let's say for example this assignment, so and if we want to add this assignment to a topic, all we have to do is just go at the right side of the topic options or assignment options. Then we just go down here, topic. We just select topic where we would want this task or assignment should be placed. So let's say for example, if this is for pretest for topic 1, so we will select topic 1 and then we click save. Therefore, this assignment will now belong to topic 1. And if we are in the classwork tab and this assignment happens to be not part of any topic, no topic, let's say if it has no topic where it belongs, another way to add this one to topic is to simply drag this particular assignment to a particular topic where it should belong. So let's say for example we will drag it over topic. Another thing is, if we have created an assignment and we want to add it to a new topic, we can also create topic by going to topic option and then selecting here create topic. Let's say for example, let's create topic, and topic 3 for example is interpreting drawings. Okay, if that is the topic 3 for this particular assignment, we can also click save here. Therefore, there are two ways of creating a topic: by clicking the create button, then topic, or from the assignment itself. While making the assignment, you can have here the command create topic. So I will just close this one, and we can also rearrange our topic from our classwork tab by simply dragging it up or down, or selecting the menu at the right and moving it up or moving it down. In this case, we have created already our topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3. I will just move this task to our topic 1. So that is how we create our topics in Google Classroom. This is very important in order for us to group our tasks or activities into different topics that we have in our class. for us to find or easily find our task later on if our class is already loaded with so many tasks. So it is very important that we create topic and we place each task or activity in a particular topic. Thank you so much for watching and see you around for our next tutorial.